Hey guys, my name is Velma I and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on a few lash products that I received in the mail. And this is the company called FORABELI. I'm probably saying that wrong, but FORABELI. They were super kind to send me over some glue, some gel remover, some lash primer, and a bunch of different things to try out for you guys. So I'm definitely going to leave everything linked down below, and I will also try to put prices here in the video. But yeah, thank you so much. Cyrus is the one that we've been emailing back and forth, so thank you so much for letting me try these products out. So they did send me over a lash primer. This is the packaging, really cute. They also sent me over the Pro Care glue, which I have not yet been able to try. They did send me over the pink gel remover. Also, I have not tried because I do not do a lot of lash removals. I haven't done one in a very long time. Last time I did it was because the girl was a little allergic to it, so we had to stop. Other than that, girls just keep on coming to refill. This is the FORABELI Strong Eyelash Extension Glue, which I did try. They sent me 4 glues, and then I have this one here. This is the sensitive glue, which I did try. Then I also have the Elite extension glue. Looks like this. Comes with the blue top, and then also the Strong eyelash glue, and it comes with the pink top. So they all kind of have like a different colored top to go with the different glue, I guess, you know, to color code them. And this is what the lash primer looks like. I also tried this out for them as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I have a few things to say about every product. This Pro Care glue, I have not been able to try. I've not yet been able to try just because like I have said, I've been trying these 3 out, and it honestly takes, no, have I been trying more? I've been trying these 3 out, and it's only been like a few months, and it really takes me a good while to really, you know, apply to the customer, get a client that will work with me and know that I'm trying out a product on them, and then also for them to come back and get refills and get feedback and things like that. So did do it on these 3. This lash primer, when I did get it, I realized that I had purchased it when I first started out on Amazon, and it worked great. Like, I didn't have any problems with it. It got the job done. Like, primer, I don't know, I'm not too much of a primer person, but when I do need it on somebody oily, I do use it. So it's a big old bottle. Like, this will last you forever. I cannot read what it says on the bottle, to be honest. I don't know. So I do give this a good thumbs up. Like, if you are somebody that uses primer, I have kind of stepped back from using primers. Moving on, the first one I'm going to talk about is the sensitive glue. It comes with a gray top. So this one was good. I didn't get to try it too much. This is the least that I did try, but I do have a client that she is a regular, and she really needed a sensitive glue. Like, for some reason, the tape, everything will bother her. She's very sensitive. And so I figured I would try this on her. And honestly, when she came back, she was like, they stayed so amazing. Like, she was happy about how much retention she had, and I also was pretty happy. I saw that she looked pretty good for 2 weeks. I think at one point she even came back 3 weeks later. So it does have good retention. When I used it, I noticed that it does dry quickly. I cannot read the bottle, so I'm sorry about that. I was really gonna try to get like detailed, but I'll leave everything in the link down below. This one was good for sensitive glue. I have tried Stacy Lash, and I would prefer this one. It worked good, and she had good retention, so cannot complain. There's not like a lot I can say. There's not high fumes. They didn't bug her eyes at all, so I like it. Got confused. This is the Strong, and then this is the Pro Care. I don't know what Pro Care means, but I do gotta try it. This one does have really great retention. I would say 2-week retention, which is good. I mean, if you want something longer lasting, you will have to go try a different product. But I'm in the Colorado area, so we do not have a lot of humidity, but I always have my temperature where I need it, and I try to have my humidity each glue is asking. So as long as you have your humidity, it should work fine. Did not have no problems. Does not have any, I didn't have anybody complain with any strong fumes. It didn't smell nasty, nothing, so it's good. But then I tried this guy. So this one here is Elite, and this one is good. But oh my gosh, guys, I'm in love with this glue. This is Elite, and oh my gosh, like, my retention is really good. It dries really fast. So all of them have a really quick 1 to 2 second drying time. And I cannot read anything on here. Jesus. Yeah, all of them dry super quick. They just grab onto the lash. I don't know if that's because I keep my room like perfect at humidity level, but I do give all of these a thumbs up. Like, I did not have one problem. I honestly thought that, you know, when this company threw me a bunch of eyelash glue, I was kind of worried. That's why I took my time. I took my time big time. Like, I first of all got somebody to agree who wanted to try it, and then I tried it on them, and then anyway, this one here is 1 to 2 second, and it's supposed to last 8 weeks. It does last a long time. I don't really know, like 3 weeks, I would say. This one for sure is my all-time favorite. I will repurchase this one again. Elite, really, really good. If you're looking for something sort of inexpensive, I mean, as inexpensive as you can get, because I'm pretty sure these products cost some money for them to make. But this one was really good. Out of all of them, I recommend this one. I do recommend the primer, and I do soon hope to try one of these out. I think I'll be doing a video pretty soon, and I will have somebody try this one out. Maybe I can let you guys see the whole process, like me applying and making the volume fans and all that, and you can watch me. So I'm planning to do that, like to do a full set for you guys using one of these glues. And there's not so much more I can say, but like I said, go pick up Elite. It's really, really good. We'll have everything linked down below, and maybe a coupon code. I'm not too sure. I'll get with them and see what they say. But thank you so much for watching. Yeah, if you guys have any other videos that you would like to see from me, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe if you're not yet, so you can see more videos from me if you want. And thank you for watching. Bye.